Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ayin. Enjoy your day. God bless. See you.
Happy birthday, Ayin. Wishing you all the love and success you deserve. God bless.
Hi, Ayin. Happy birthday.
And happiest birthday, my friend. May your day be filled with love, joy, and happiness. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Ayin! More than 30 years na ang ating barkada, magkasama sa lahat ng trip, drama at pangarap sa buhay. Nagsimula sa kung saan tayo tatambay noon hanggang sa kung nasa na tayo ngayon. I'm so proud for what you have become. Cheers to more decades of friendship, praying for more blessings, good health, peace and joy. Happy birthday ulit! God bless! Ingat lagi!
Hi, Ayin! Surprise! Na-surprise ka ba? Happy birthday! I wish you more success in life kahit alam kong you're already successful. And I wish din na sana magkita-kita tayo na in the near future. And regards to Mami Selly and to Jepay and to all your family in Saipan. Bye!
Hi Ayin, wishing you a beautiful birthday filled with love and peace. May God bless you with the gift of good health, strength to overcome any challenge, and a year full of happiness. Happy birthday!
So okay, take 12 na ng video message na to kasi since talaga this is my first time to record and video message. But anyway, since you're my special friend, sabi ko nga kay Army, kailangan ko pa magpagwapo kasi marami yata manonood. But anyway, wala talaga magagawa. Ito na yung itsura ko. Ayun, happy birthday, Ayin. So thank you for being a good friend. So lagi mo ingatan ang sarili mo, like I've always said, stay healthy, and I hope to see you soon again. And just enjoy your day, and I hope to see you soon. So yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ninang Ayin! We love you! We miss you! One more chup-chup! God bless!
Bye! Enjoy your day! God bless! Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Ayin.
Hope you have a good one.
We wish we were there. We miss you. Hopefully you can get good food for us.
Happy birthday, Ayin. May every moment be filled with the same joy you bring to others. Stay healthy and wish you more blessing to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Ayin. From Coda and Scout.
Happy birthday, Tita Ayin. We wanted to say thank you for everything. We wish you well. I wish you future trips and vacations, hopefully to San Antonio.
And we hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Ayin. I just want to say thank you for all that you do and continue to do, especially for my mom and Mama Selly. I hope that you have the greatest birthday celebration today. My wish for you this year is for more blessings to come your way, great health, and I hope that you get to see all the places that you've been wanting to see and maybe even go on that cruise that you've been wanting to go on. But I really hope that you have a great birthday, and I really hope that we get to see you soon here in San Antonio, hopefully. But yeah, bye.
Hi Ayin, happy birthday. Sana abot pa ng maraming birthday. Ingatan mo ang iyong katawan. Lagi ka magpapa-check up. I love you. Love you, love you. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ayin. Love you.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Ayin. Wish ko sa'yo sana palagi kang malakas at sana magpahinga ka rin. Okay? Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi Ayin, happy birthday. Sana lagi kang malakas ang katawan. Ingatan mo lagi katawan mo. Huwag masyadong subsub sa trabaho, magpapahinga din. Kasi lagi ko nagtatrabaho sa bahay. Happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Dain! I love you, Pretty!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Go.
Yin. Muli, happy birthday sa iyo. Ako naman nagpapasalamat ako kasi malakas na uli ako at saka yung binigyan mo rin ng birthday ko. Maraming salamat sa iyo. At muli happy birthday sa iyo. At sana malakas ka rin, ha? At huwag kang ano na. Sensya ka na, nagkamali ako. Happy birthday to you. Sa many happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Maraming salamat.
Hi, Ayin. Si Thea to. Medyo nahihiya kasi ako mag-video, so I'll just read my letter. Sorry, here it goes. I can't remember the exact moment when we became close and called each other best friends. We didn't even talk no grade 6 tayo sa West. But all I know was it started when we were in second year high school. And from then on, we were inseparable. My high school life has been filled with memories na kasama ka. From sleepover sa bahay nyo sa Villanueva, to disco party at festa sa Dayne, at lagi ako kasama sa mga lakad mo. Those memories had been ingrained in me. Fast forward to now, we are miles apart, we now have separate lives, we rarely see each other in person, but our bond is still there. You've been there for me during a difficult phase in my life, and I'm lucky to have a friend who's always been there to listen to every happy and sad stories of my life. Magkaiba man tayo ng personalities, magkasamaan man tayo ng loob paminsan-minsan, yet we're still there for each other. I'm forever grateful that you were one of the few na naging constant sa buhay ko. Thank you. My birthday wish for you is true happiness and good health always. To my BFF for life, Ayin, happy birthday, and I love you.
Hi, Sissy Girl! Surprise! Nagulat ka ba sa munting sorpresa na inihanda namin para sa'yo sa pamumuno ng ating mahal na ina? Syempre, una sa lahat, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, syempre, good health at kaligayahan ng puso at sa lahat ng bagay. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Nawala ako. Basta yun lang, sana palagi kang masaya at lagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka ni ate. See you soon. Love you, sis.